Yes.
Go na.
Ah, the white.
The white, you see the white stripe? And that means, here the, you look at that one. That means that's under the sea.
Ah,
You look at the white. Oh,
yes.
walang proper. Di ba? It's not the same. Oh, di ba? Is that the same or not? Not in the middle. When you
Oh.
say limestone, that's
Diba it's like sediment?
yes, that's sediments that was composed of microfilm. Look at that.
We've studied this for
Yeah, that's why you have to be a geologist.
Bakit alam mo sedimentary? Ako wala man alam.
Because that's how
Naalala ko lang sedimentary pero hindi ko alam ano.
Nan, you look then there. You look at the stones. You look at the stones. Di ba? You can see seashells.
I thought it's like the bone.
It's not bone. That's